While most people are fascinated with full-size pickups, the midsize truck segment continues to grow at a pretty impressive pace. The Blue Oval, with its Ranger, has prepared the latest offering that combines capability, style, and impressive tech, building on its predecessor's strengths while offering exciting new variants to satisfy every type of truck buyer. Stay with us and take a look because the all-new 2026 Ford Ranger wows everybody. Meet the heavy-duty Ranger. Ford has just dropped the bombshell in the midsize truck segment with the introduction of the 2026 Ranger Superduty. While full-size truck fans have enjoyed heavy-duty versions for decades, midsize truck buyers have been limited to standard configurations until now. This game-changing variant brings F-Series capability to a smaller, more manageable package. The call for this heavy-duty version came directly from fleet managers who needed the work capability of a larger truck, but in a size that could navigate tighter spaces and remote locations like Australia's outback. This isn't just another enthusiast model borrowing the Super Duty name. It's a genuine workhorse designed for serious businesses. The visual changes are immediately apparent with massive 33-inch general grabber tires tucked under unique squared-off fender flares that accommodate the wider track. At the front, there's a rugged steel bumper with an integrated skid plate and mounting points for auxiliary lighting. The Super Duty logo is boldly embossed into the hood's leading edge, while the grille features an open weave mesh design that maximizes airflow to the hard-working components beneath. Perhaps the most telling sign of this truck's serious intentions is the standard snorkel, ready for water crossings or dusty environments that would choke lesser pickups. The larger side mirrors improve visibility when towing, complementing the truck's increased capabilities. The new gross vehicle mass rating jumps to an impressive 9,920 pounds, a massive increase from the regular Ranger's 6,790 pound maximum. Inside, the Super Duty's work-focused interior doesn't skimp on technology. The 12-inch infotainment screen remains, but there's an added overhead console with auxiliary switches and additional accessories. An available integrated device mounting system can secure devices up to 8.82 pounds while keeping the passenger airbag zone clear, a thoughtful touch for working professionals who need tablets or specialized equipment at hand. Even as a work-oriented truck, safety hasn't been compromised. The 2026 Ranger Super Duty comes loaded with driver assistance features, including front and rear parking aids, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. It's a perfect blend of capability and technology for professionals who need their truck to work as hard as they do. The only problem is that it won't be offered in North America. Exterior design: bold and purposeful. The 2026 Ford Ranger lineup carries a commanding presence that draws inspiration from its bigger F-150 sibling. The front end features a bold hammerhead-style design with C-shaped LED headlights that flow seamlessly into the wide grille. The hood has been sculpted with pronounced power domes that hint at the capable engines underneath. Along the sides, the chiseled body lines convey a sense of strength and stability, while the widened fenders provide an athletic stance. The rear features vertical taillights at a tailgate with an embossed Ranger logo, leaving no doubt about this truck's identity. Ford has designed the Ranger with functionality in mind, incorporating features like an integrated side step behind the rear wheels to make bed access easier without needing to rely on the bumper. For those seeking even more visual impact, the black appearance package adds exclusive darkened elements throughout the exterior, including blacked-out grille, wheels, badges, and trim pieces. This option transforms the Ranger into a more aggressive-looking machine that stands out from the crowd. The 2026 model brings exciting new color options to the palette, including the vibrant ruby red metallic, earthy desert sand, and sophisticated March gray. These fresh hues allow owners to better express their personal style while turning heads wherever they go. Interior: comfort and technology. Inside the 2026 Ranger, you're greeted by a thoroughly modern cabin that blends comfort, technology, and practicality. The dashboard features a textured design with honeycomb-patterned air vents, giving the interior a premium yet rugged feel. The overall layout prioritizes functionality without sacrificing style. At the center of it all is the infotainment system. Base models come with a substantial 10.1-inch touchscreen, but the real showstopper is the available vertically oriented 12-inch display. Both run Ford's latest Sync 4 interface, which provides intuitive controls for the Ranger's many features, including the innovative zone lighting system that can illuminate specific areas around the truck, perfect for job sites or setting up camp after dark. Complementing the central display is a fully digital instrument cluster available in either 8-inch or 12.4-inch configurations. The larger option provides customizable information displays that can be tailored to the driver's preferences, showing everything from navigation directions to off-road data. Despite being a midsize truck, the Ranger offers impressive interior space. The crew cab configuration provides generous room for 5 passengers, with well-bolstered front seats and a rear bench that can comfortably accommodate adults on longer journeys. Ford has integrated clever storage solutions throughout the cabin, including a hidden upper glove box in the dashboard, spacious door pockets, and storage under the rear seats. For those who want luxury in their work truck, the Lariat trim delivers with leather-trimmed seating, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, and a premium B&O sound system. The attention to detail in this top-spec model rivals many luxury SUVs, proving that capability and comfort can coexist. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 Ranger offers 2 potent engine options, both paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission. The standard power plant is a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder that produces a robust 270 horsepower, providing ample thrust for daily driving and light towing duties. This engine offers an excellent balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for buyers who use their trucks as both work vehicles and daily drivers. For those who crave more performance, the twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 delivers an impressive 315 horsepower. This engine transforms the Ranger into a genuinely quick truck, capable of confident passing maneuvers and effortless highway merging. The power is delivered smoothly throughout the rev range with minimal turbo lag and abundant low-end torque that's particularly useful when towing. Speaking of towing, the Ranger maintains impressive capabilities regardless of engine choice. The maximum towing capacity stands at 7,500 pounds, enough to handle most boats, campers, and utility trailers with ease. Payload capacity reaches up to 1,805 pounds for rear-wheel drive models, allowing for serious work duties or adventurous camping gear. The Ranger's driving dynamics strike an excellent balance between on-road comfort and off-road capability. The suspension setup delivers a stable, planted feel during highway cruising, while still providing enough compliance to absorb rough road surfaces. Four-wheel drive models feature a 2-speed transfer case with high and low ranges, giving drivers the versatility to tackle everything from slippery boat ramps to challenging trails. Of course, we can't discuss the Ranger's performance without mentioning the Wild Raptor variant. With its twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 producing 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, Ranger Raptor is the undisputed performance king of the midsize truck segment. Its specialized Fox shocks, wider track, and aggressive 33-inch all-terrain tires make it the perfect companion for high-speed desert running or conquering difficult off-road obstacles. Technology and safety features. Ford has equipped the 2026 Ranger with an impressive array of technologies, starting with a standard 10.1-inch or available 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Both support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration without messy cables. The Sync 4 system also includes features like wireless device charging and an available built-in navigation system with enhanced voice recognition. One standout tech feature is the zone lighting system, which allows owners to control exterior lights individually through the touchscreen or smartphone app. This practical innovation is ideal for working in the dark or setting up a campsite after sunset. The Pro Trailer Backup Assist system is another game changer, enabling even novice drivers to reverse with a trailer using a simple dial in the center console. The available B&O premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall with carefully placed speakers delivering rich, immersive audio. For off-road enthusiasts, the terrain management system offers multiple drive modes that optimize the truck's behavior for different surfaces and conditions. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Ranger, with Ford's Copilot 360 suite of driver assistance features available across the lineup. This includes Ford collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and rear cross traffic alert. Higher trims add even more advanced features like adaptive cruise control, evasive steering assist, and a 360-degree camera system that's particularly useful for navigating tight spaces or positioning the truck perfectly on off-road trails. The 360-degree camera deserves special mention for its application in off-road scenarios. When activated in trail situations, the forward-facing camera displays trajectory lines showing exactly where the front tires will go, allowing drivers to precisely navigate around obstacles. This level of technological integration shows Ford's commitment to making advanced features genuinely useful in real-world situations. Release date and price. Ford dealerships across North America will begin receiving the new Ranger lineup in late summer, with initial deliveries focusing on the standard models. Base models will start at around $35,000, while the range-topping models like the Raptor will get pretty close to $60,000. The Ranger is certainly one of the best options in the segment, but the competition is tougher than ever, starting from the class-leading Tacoma. Check out this video about 6 reasons to wait for next year's version of Toyota's midsize pickup truck that you can now see on the screen. A lot's going on with the next year's Tacoma. Thanks for watching and see you next time.